is strongly recommended that installation of this product is done by 2 people. One person supporting the base, one person supporting the stem. Take care not to put any unnecessary force on the stem and handle the lamp by the base only. Leave the lamp fully boxed until you're at or near the final location. Cut the box along the seams that have the paper tape. Open the box top, cut away the front portion of the box for an easy removal. Lightly score the shrink wrap along the edges of the cardboard down the stem. Do not cut down the center as the power cord runs down it. Remove the wrap and the cardboard from the stem. Use only your hands to remove the foam on the stem. Do not use a knife. Repeat the same process for the base. Use caution and identify where the power cord is at all times when unwrapping the base. The lamp base includes adjustable leveling feet. Ensure your lamp base is properly level after installation. An important safety note: there is a vent on the bottom of the lamp's base that releases heat from the internal electrical components. Placing the base on high pile carpet could obstruct this vent, resulting in overheating. We recommend placing the lamp on a flat floor surface such as wood, tile, or low pile carpet to avoid this risk. Do not remove the leveling feet, as this would also obstruct the vent. To avoid damage to this product, whenever possible, utilize the help of a second person when moving, adjusting, or assembling. Wood is a natural product and is susceptible to environmental and atmospheric changes. Over time, the curvature of the stem may fluctuate up or down slightly. The touch sensor switch on the back side of the lamp stem cycles between 3 brightness settings